Ciao. Today I want to talk about how not to gain weight over the holidays. As you know, here in United States, next week we'll be celebrating Thanksgiving. Turkey, pumpkin pie, lemon meringue, mashed potatoes, all that nice stuff. And then it will be the beginning of not gaining or gaining, and all of us that have been trying not to gain or even just try to lose wouldn't know what to do. So I had a speech yesterday at the local Tops, and I gave the speech on self-image. Now, considering two short and quick things, one of them is that we cannot outdo our self-image. It's impossible to outdo our self-image, but we can build a new one. So if we build a new one that is not gaining weight, if we build a new one that is losing weight, if we build a new one that is exactly the way we want it to be, and then we would have solved the problem, right? So, instead of modifying what's there, instead of modifying our eating habits, let's build an image where we don't have those bad habits of eating too much mashed potatoes, too much of a good thing. So if we build a new one, and then it will be easier in our mind to deal with that. Now, as an example, how this really works, we have a server upstairs. I'm in the basement right now getting some stuff because we open. I think they're already open. We have a server who has double for some movies for Johnny Depp. And he really puts himself into the image of Johnny Depp. He talks like him. He acts like him. He makes himself to look like him and dresses like him. So that is the perfect way to build a new image. And that is to put yourself into becoming the person that you want to become. And you won't have to worry about not gaining weight, because you're not going to gain weight. You'll be self-limiting yourself into the amount of food you eat, into the exercise that you'll be doing, and you will be that person that you always wanted to be. So I'll give you some food for thoughts, and I give you some food for your stomach, because I own a restaurant and we're open until 9 o'clock this evening. Stop by if you're nearby. If not, you can just at least put a like on the video and tell me you got the idea. Thank you. See you next time. Ciao.